let the recording start. Yeah. So we are starting with like sales variance as well as with market variances. Okay. So let's focus. Now this is like market variance and sales variance is the agenda like today to finish. Okay. So this is sales variance. In sales variance we are supposed to find two types of variances. One is selling price variance or sales price variance. Anything you can like take it for. Okay, selling price or sales price variance. And then comes the sales volume variance. So this is sales price variance, sales volume variance. Sales volume variance again I will divide into sales quantity variance, sales mix variance. Sales quantity variance again I will divide into market size variance, market share variance. So you can make a note of this chart and we'll just try to finish this two right now. Okay, first, and then we'll go for market variances. Okay, mixed variance and quantity we'll discuss in the next class, because mixed variance is a lengthy thing to discuss. It will take some time. For first you should get your basics good. So these two are basic variances in this category. Okay, so now let's start with the sales variances. Okay, so if you have made a note of this, I'll move forward. Now here I am writing three things: actual budget, oh sorry, actually it's not actual budget, it's like actual result. Okay, sorry, or you can say actual. Okay, then like comes the flexible budget. Flexible budget is nothing but, I know you have not done the budgeting chapter. See, budgets are prepared by every company. So flexible budget is like you're keeping things like suppose you are making something for suppose you have a standard fixed that you will make 1,000 units. Okay, So like if you prepare a budget only taking this into consideration, that's called static budget. But if you are trying to see what expenses you are incurring, and like if you are increasing your like if you are increasing your production to 2000 units of, or if you have some scenario whereby you have less orders and you are only manufacturing 500 units, then what? So for all these higher or lower quantities or output also, you try to make a budget. That's called flexible budget. Okay, so this is, then it is fixed budget. That's what I said. It is nothing but static budget. Okay, so now what I'll do is I'll just take actual sales into actual price here. I'll take actual sales into budgeted price here. I'll take budgeted sales into budgeted price here. Okay, so this is what I've done. So actual is what I see in actuality, budgeted is what I plan. Okay, I can see price. If I take per unit wise, it is called standard price. Okay, if you take prices are always per unit wise. If you take the total amount, it is called budgeted amount. Okay, so here I'm using the term budgeted. It's nothing but here I mean standard only. Don't get confused, you can use standard also, there's no problem. Okay, now here, as you know, here actual sales will be common. Okay, so actual sales I've taken common, and actual price minus budgeted price. So this is called sales price variance. And then again from here to here I'll take. So here you know what is common, budgeted price is common, and you have actual sales minus budgeted sales. So you get sales volume variance. Okay, and then when you add these two, or else if you take these two, that is actual sales into actual price minus budgeted sales into that 1, and this is 3. If you take 1 minus 3, or if you do this like if you just add these two, you get total variance. Okay, so total sales variance. So please do this, right? Make this chart in your book right now, and I'll give you a question to solve fast. You have to inform me if you are done with this. I'm going to give you a question to solve.
Just a minute, sir.
Okay, okay, take your time, take your time. Just I'm saying to inform you.
Done, sir.
Okay, now. So I'm writing a question, solve that and tell me the answers. So here like budgeted, consider the following sales data for G Max company. Okay, so budgeted, and here we have actual sales of Excel golf ball units, 1000 units, 1100 units. Sales price per Excel golf ball. Sales of Big Bird drivers in units, 150 units, 140 units. Okay, and sales price so you have to do both the things, okay, for Excel golf balls and also Big Bird drivers. These are two different companies actually, and for both of them you have to find out the variances. Okay, so I have not explained you mixed variances, so I can understand. You have to do variance for both the companies separately. Sales price per Big Bird driver, $200 and $190. So please solve this. I'm just waiting. Any doubts you can ask. So let us solve now how to do this. So I'll just put the things here. Actual, flexible, fixed budget. So actual things are given to you in the question. If you have written the question, sales of Excel golf balls. Okay, sales. So actual also they have given, budget also they have given. So there is nothing to worry about. Very simple question and very simple way to do. Actual sales into actual price, actual sales into budgeted price, budgeted sales into budgeted price. So now what is your actual sales as per the question? Is it 1100?
1100.
Yes,
1100, yes.
11.
Into
Yeah,
10.50.
yeah,
1100
1100,
into 10.
10
1000 into
into
10.
10. Yeah, so here what would be common? 1100. So 10.50
Into point.
minus.
Yeah.
We are
1000.
subtracting
10
this now.
into 10 into
Yeah, 10 into
1100 minus
1100
1000.
minus 1000.
Here
Yes.
the answer is total is 1550
So 0.50 into
into 1100.
1100. It's like 550. So what do you think actually in this? Like, what do you think? So like it is like we are doing sales price variance.
Yes. Here sales volume variance.
Yeah, so we thought that we could make the price would be like how much did we like see the price? The budget what we made was of 10 rupees, correct?
10 rupees, but it was 0.50 more.
Yeah, so is it good or bad? We
It's
are
bad.
we here when no, this is sales variance.
Acha, sales, na? Yeah, it's good.
Yeah, so we thought that we will sell at $10,
But
but
you
we are
got
ready to
0.50
sell
extra. So your voice is not audible. Hello?
Hello. Hello. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can
Sir,
hear
your,
you.
Hello.
sir, your voice
Yeah,
is
yeah.
breaking,
So,
sir.
yeah, now can you hear me?
Yes,
Yeah, sir.
now it's, I think, clear.
Yeah. So the point here is, so we thought that we will sell at $10, but we are able to sell at 10.5. So that's good, na? Yeah. So it's
Yes.
favorable.
Yeah, sir, we made a profit. Yeah.
Yeah. And what about this then? What about the like volume variance? We thought that we will be like selling 1,000 units, but we are able to sell how much? 1,100. So it's
1100.
very good, na?
Yes,
Yeah. So
favorable.
again, it is like
Yes.
100 into 10. It is like
1000
favorable. 1,000.
favorable.
Yeah. So can you do the same thing for the big bird and tell me the results?
So once, can you go back to the question? I didn't
Yeah.
note it.
Yeah. So this one first you can finish. I'm waiting.
It's done, sir.
Yeah. Then total variance is 1,500 favorable.
1500, 1550.
Yeah. Meenakshi done or like I shall scroll up.
Yeah, sir, done.
Yeah. So do that for big bird. I'm waiting.
So is it actual price is 190, sir?
Yeah, 190. Yes.
4400. I think that's adverse.
4,400. No, it is 1,400 sales price variance.
No, I'm saying total variance. Yes, yeah, 1400 for sales price and sales volume is
Yeah,
3000. Minus
sales
3000 minus
price
1400.
variance. Yeah, 1,400. It is like unfavorable, correct?
Unfavorable, adverse, yeah.
Yeah, and for the price variance, it is 2,000 unfavorable, correct?
No, it's 3000.
No, it's 2,000.
Oh, sorry, yeah, 2000. Sorry.
Yeah, so like in total, it's like 3,400
3400.
unfavorable. So previously it was like now what we can do is we can just do the total variance of both the products. Okay, so we will take this figures there. So it was like 550 favorable for golf balls, 1,400 unfavorable for big bird. So totally 850 unfavorable. Okay, this is like total like for both the products I found out the sales. What
Price
variance?
variance.
Sales
Sales price variance.
price variance. And it was like 2,000, it was like
Sir,
1,000
will not.
favorable.
Okay, I got it.
Yeah, and 2,000 unfavorable. So 1,000 unfavorable. It
Unfavorable.
is like sales volume variance in totality for both. Okay. So this
Yeah,
is what is the sales variance all about. I'm giving you one more question. You solve it. Then we'll go for market variance.
okay.
So here I would write a note, sales price variance plus sales volume variance is equal to total sales variance or sales value variance. Sales value variance can also be written as actual sales into actual price. Here we have done minus 1 minus 3, I said this and this. Budgeted sales into budgeted price. Okay, or these two you can add, you can get the answer. Okay.
This is the another formula.
No, the same one only. I'm just writing in a just writing and showing. In the
Okay,
chart
okay,
I've
got
already
it.
drawn this one, this and this. If you subtract, you'll get the answer. Same thing.
Okay.
So my focus is I don't want you to mug up the formulas. Just make the chart in the exam and do. Okay.
Yeah.
This is one more formula they're saying actual sales. So I have already explained you all these things. No need to see this. You
This
can
is the same
directly
one.
do the same. So can you do the question?
Yeah.
Do this.
Total is total variance is 2,250. Sales price variance is 9,450.
No, sales
Uh,
volume. You can check.
7,200.
Yeah, you can check it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'll just see.
Got it?
Yeah, I got correct.
Yeah, good.
7,200. Here 9,450.
Yeah, just a second. That also I'm showing. Yeah. Okay,
Totally? Yeah, right.
that's what. So
2,250.
yeah, 2000. Yes, sales value variance, correct? So these are
Yeah.
the variances. So you can check your answer. This is sales volume variance. This is sales price variance, and this is sales value variance. Last. Okay.
We
They
got it
have done a
negative.
proof. Yeah. They have done a proof
Sales
also.
volume variance. Yeah.
No, 2250 is positive. No, this is like favorable. This is adverse. So
Yeah,
it's
it's
positive.
favorable.
It's
It's
like,
positive. Yeah.
yeah. Why?
No,
Because like
no,
you
I
have done
said
the
this
correct.
volume variance not negative.
Okay. Yes. Meenakshi,
Just volume
like,
variance.
yeah. Meenakshi, you got this, Meenakshi?
Yes, sir. Yes, I got.
Pakka, sure.
Yeah, sir. Yeah.
Okay, then I'm moving forward. Okay, for the market variances. Come on, let's
Yeah,
do
sir.
that.
Okay.
Yeah. So now let's make one more chart and do some question stuff and then wind up. Market variance. Again, we'll take actual and then we'll take flexible, we'll take static. or will take fixed. So here actual market share size, sorry, with S I mean size, actual market share into unit contribution margin. What do you mean by unit contribution margin? Contribution margin is equal to contribution by sales into 100. Okay, did you understand? Hello.
Yes, sir.
See, this
Yes, sir.
contribution you have in variable cost. Sales minus variable cost is contribution. What do you mean by contribution? The excess of sales over variable cost is contribution. Suppose my sales is 100, contribution variable cost is 80, my contribution is 20. This 20 is nothing but excess of sales over variable cost, correct? So once you get this, it's an indication that if you adjust your fixed cost, suppose it is 10, then you get a profit of 10. That is the indication of this, okay? So to recover the fixed cost, contribution is very much required. That means you should sell your goods at some extra margin, some extra value, so that you can recover all your costs. That is contribution. So this unit contribution margin is nothing but I have found out the contribution per unit, that is 20. My sales per unit is 100. So my unit contribution margin happens to be 20%. That's it. So now again, actual market size into budgeted market share into unit contribution margin. Again here, see, actual market size, actual market share SH is share. Budgeted market size, budgeted market share. Okay, unit contribution. Now, in this, what would come common? S would come common, size. So this is market share variance, correct? So actual market size,
Yes, sir.
actual market share minus budgeted market share into unit contribution margin. This is market share variance. See, with chart things become very simple. Budgeted market share is like common here. Actual market size minus budgeted market size into unit contribution margin gives you market size variance. And these two club together make sales volume variance. As I have made a chart already, or sales quantity variance, anything is all right, anything you can call. I've just made it here. So sales quantity variance is again divided into market size variance and market share variance. Okay, so these two club together will give you sales volume or sales quantity variance. So please make a note of this market variances, and I'll give you a question to solve right now. If done, please confirm me.
Done, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Done.
Yeah. Now you have to do a question. I'll give you a question to solve. Can you do this question? Can you do this question?
In
And the
price.
contribution margin or profit margin is already given to you. So 2,50,000 is the actual market size, and the budgeted market size is 2 lakhs. Difference into contribution margin into 50. Like the what is that 50 here? As per our chart, market size, correct? This is like which variance we are doing right now. Market share. Just a second. So market size they would have mentioned here maybe. Share variance, na? So if it is share variance, then what? If it is share variance, then market size would be given to you. So what is the market size? 20% market share. Actually, it is like we are doing like market share variance. Market share variance is actual market share minus budgeted market share. So actual market share is, this is like I doubt this one. Just market size, budgeted market share. Yeah, actually it should be market like hello.
Yes, sir.
Can it?
Hello,
Yeah.
yes, sir.
So yeah. So actually, what they have, this is market size variance actually, not share variance. These guys are wrong. How come it is share variance? See, what is the size given? Actual market size?
2,50,000.
Yeah, and they are using that as a share variance here. That's like absolutely wrong. Market share variance is nothing but the differences between the shares, actual market share and budgeted market share. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
What do you mean by variance? Variance is nothing but this is what
Different.
yeah, we just estimated, and this is what we are getting. This is what we estimate. That is what we are getting. So understood fact is like it is market size variance. So difference will be in size, and market share will be outside. They are writing a different heading and giving a different thing. So it should be market share variance, correct?
Size variance.
Yeah, size variance. Sorry. So what is that market actual market size? 2,50,000. What is the budgeted market size? 2 lakh. And
2 lakh.
unit contribution margin is 20%.
20%.
And the like what we say
Actual
no
market
no no unit
size.
contribution
No,
margin
sorry.
is
Budget and
50.
50
market share.
rupees.
Yeah, 50. And market share is 20. So you get market share variance, correct?
Yes.
So you expected
Yeah.
it to be how much? 2 lakh, but it is how much? 250. It's good, na? It
2
is
lakh
favorable.
Yes.
50.
It's
Yes.
favorable.
Favorable.
Yes. We'll go for one more question. Now do this question. Here is the example, and you have to find out market size variance. Okay, come on, I'm waiting. It's the same question. I doubt it's the same question. Correct?
No, quite different. Units are different.
Yeah, somewhat just figure here and there, some figure change.
The answer is 1 lakh. Market size variance.
Yeah. Can you do the share variance also? Here is the question given.
Yes. Sir, 90,000. Market share variance.
No.
Um,
So market share variance is this, the difference in the shares into market size. So the shares are like this given, the difference, and the size is 1,20,000 into margin. So minus 120 would be your answer. So you expected your size market share to increase, but it has decreased. So it's adverse, correct?
yeah.
Yes, sir.
That's it. So one more question I'm giving you. Just try one more question. So can you do this? Just a second. Do this question.
Yeah. Sir, 1,20,000.
Very good.
Yes.
Very good. Very good. Yeah, done. So market size variance is 40, market share variance is 80. Total is 120. Correct? You got the same
Yes,
thing,
sir.
now? Yeah. Okay, you can check it out your answers. Then I'll just. Then we'll, like today we are done with this. Tomorrow we can start the material like market mix variance, and then after finishing market mix variance, we can immediately start the overhead variances. That means more 2 sessions, your variance analysis is completely done. Okay. So then I'll instruct you what to do from your hog book, and we can start new chapter. Fine. So have you checked these
Yes,
answers? Please tell me.
yes, sir. It's done.
Yeah. So just like let's take the class tomorrow and do the overhead variances. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.